Jai Gurudev. Now we'll see the third question, which is based on division. 100x to the power 4 minus 50x square minus 5x plus 1 divided x minus 2. So here we find that the number of terms are 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And the highest power variable is 100x to the power 4. So we'll try to cancel this first term. Here the divisor is x minus 2. So that means I have to multiply such a number so that this 100x to the power 4 get cancelled. So first it is 100. So I'll be multiplying x with 100. Then it is 1x and here there are 4x. So I'll be multiplying 100 x cube. So 100x cube into x is 100x to the power 4. Then this 100x cube will also be multiplied with minus 2. So it is minus 200 x cube. Now one thing you have to remember, here it is 50x square and here it is 200x cube. Therefore these two terms cannot be added, cannot be subtracted, because only like terms are added or subtracted. So do not add or subtract 50x square with 200x cube, because here this is unlike term. So these two terms will not be added, not be subtracted. Here minus, here minus. So these two terms will be cancelled. Here it is minus and this is formula's minus. So minus and minus makes it plus. So it will be 200 x cube minus 50 x square. Now out of this two term, we'll find that this is the highest power variable. Now I'll cancel 200 x cube. So I'll multiply x minus 2 with 200. So 200 into x is 200. And here it is x cube and here it is only x. So I'll multiply this with x square. So x square into x is x cube. So now this two became the like term. Then 200x square into minus 2, which is minus 400 x square. So here it is minus, here it is minus. Now this minus and this 200x cube and this 200x cube will be cancelled since it is plus and it is minus. Here this 400x square will convert into plus since here there is a minus and this is the formula's minus. So minus and minus will be plus. So we'll get 400 x square with positive sign. Now since here also we have x square, this is also x square, that means these two are the like terms and these two can be added or subtracted. Therefore 400 minus 50 is 350 x square, and one more term will bring it down. Now here we'll find that 350x square is the highest power variable term. So now we'll try to cancel this 350x square. So plus 350. So it became 350. Now here it is x square and here it is x. So that means I'll multiply with x. So x into x is x square. And then 350x into minus 2, which is minus 700x. This will be minus, this will be minus. So 350 and this 350 will be cancelled since it is plus and it is minus. Now this minus and this minus, once again it will make it plus, so it is plus 700x. So and here it is minus 5x. So since here also x to the power 1, here also x to the power 1, that means these two are like terms, therefore they can be added or subtracted. Now plus 700 minus 5 is 695x, plus this one will bring it down. Now the highest power variable term is 695x, so we'll try to cancel this term. So plus 695, so 695 into x is 695x, and 695 into minus 2 is minus 1390. So here minus, here minus. So once again these two terms will be cancelled. Minus and minus makes it plus. So 1390 plus 1 is 1391, which is 1391. So this is the remainder. This is dividend. This is quotient. And this divisor. Now let us verify our division. For verification, by now we know the formula is dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So here the divisor is x minus 2, quotient is 100x cube plus 200x square plus 350x plus 695, and the remainder is 1391, that is 1391. So by now, since all of you know and come across this type of multiplication many times, so I'm doing a bit directly here. X into 100 x cube is 100 x to the power 4. X into 200 x square is 200 x cube, plus 350x into x is 350 x square, plus 695 into x is 695 x. So first part is completed, where we have multiplied all the 4 terms with x. Next our term would be minus 2, with which we'll multiply all these 4 terms. So minus 2 into 100x cube, which is minus 200x cube, minus 2 plus 200x cube, which is minus 400x square. Since minus 2 into 200 is 400, so it is 400x square, minus 2 plus 350x, which is minus 700x. Then minus 2 into 695, which is minus 1390, plus the remainder, which is 1391. So 100x to the power 4 remain as it is, since there is no other like term which can be added or subtracted with it. Next we have got 200x cube. This 200x cube, and here also we have got 200x cube, that means both of these are like terms, and here it is plus, here it is minus, so both these terms will be cancelled. Next we have got 350x square. Now here it is 350x square, and here it is minus 400x square. So once again 350x square and 400x square became the like term, so they can be added or subtracted. Now since here the minus sign is with greater number, which is 400, so will subtract 400 with 350. Answer is 50, and here it is x square, so it is minus 50 x square. Next, here it is 700x and here it is 695x. So once again these two terms can be considered as the like terms, so therefore they can be added or subtracted. Therefore minus 700 plus 695 is minus 5 and this x remains, so answer is minus 5x. Now these two constant terms can be added or subtracted. So 1391 minus 1390 is actually 1 and plus 1, since plus sign is related to the larger number out of these two. So we got this expression, which is 100x to the power 4 minus 50x square minus 5x plus 1, which is equivalent to our dividend given in the question. Hence we have verified our division. Let us see the fourth question, which is 5y square minus 12y plus 7 divided y minus 1. So here in the dividend we find there are three terms, first term, second term and third term, with 5y square as the highest power variable term. So now we'll try to cancel 5y square. So we'll multiply that with 5y. So 5y into y is 5y square. Then 5y into minus 1 is minus 5y. Minus sign, here minus sign. So these two values will be cancelled and here minus and minus become plus. So 12 minus 12 plus 5, which is minus 7y, and one more term will bring here 7. So now I'll cancel 7y since this is the highest power variable term. So minus 7y I have to cancel. So for cancelling this minus 7y, I'll multiply that divisor y minus 1 with minus 7. When I'll multiply this with minus 7, so minus 7 into y is minus 7y, and minus 7 into minus 1 is plus 7. So we find that here the remainder is 0. As usual, this is our dividend, this is quotient, this is the divisor. For verification, we know the formula is dividend equals divisor into quotient plus remainder. Here we find the divisor is y minus 1. Quotient is 5y minus 7. And the remainder we find it is 0 in this case. So now we'll go on multiplying. Here also we'll do directly. Y into 5y, it is 5y square. Y into minus 7, it is minus 7y. Minus 1 into 5y is minus 5y. Minus 1 into minus 7 is plus 7. So it is 5y square minus 5 minus 7 is minus 12. So minus 12y plus 7, which is equivalent to our divisor given. Therefore we can say that we have verified our division. hence verified. Fifth question is x to the power 4 plus x square plus 6 divided x minus 1. Here you can see in the dividend there are three terms: first term, second term and third term, where first term x to the power 4 is the highest power variable term. So now we'll try to cancel this. Here it is x to the power 4 and in the divisor we have got x minus 1. So if we multiply x cube, we'll get x cube into x is x to the power 4. Then x cube into minus 1 is minus x cube. Then minus sign. So this x to the power 4 and this x to the power 4 will be cancelled. Here minus and minus will make it plus. So it is x cube plus x square. Please make sure do not add or subtract these two terms since these are unlike terms. Here it is x square and here it is x cube. So unlike terms cannot be added, cannot be subtracted. So we are not adding neither subtracting these two terms. So simply we have written x cube and then we have brought this x square here. Since minus and minus plus, so it is plus x cube. Now out of this two term we find that x cube is the highest power variable. So we'll now try to cancel this x cube. So plus x square. Now if I multiply x square with x, we get x cube, and x square into minus 1 is minus x square. Here it is minus, here it is minus. So once again these two terms will be cancelled. Here minus and minus it is plus. So this x square and this x square will not be cancelled, it will be added. So x square plus x square is 2x square plus the 6 will bring it down. Now here the highest power variable is 2x square. Now I'll try to cancel this 2x square. So plus 2x. If I multiply 2x into x is 2x square. 2x into minus 1 is minus 2x. So here it is minus, here it is minus. This and this will be cancelled. Now here it is plus 2x and here it is plus 6. So these two will not be added, will not be subtracted. So I'll write 2x plus 6. Now here the highest power variable is 2x. So I'll try to cancel it. So plus 2. So 2 into x is 2x. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Here it is minus, here it is minus. So this 2 once again will be cancelled. Minus and minus plus, 6 plus 2 is 8. So the remainder here is 8. Now let us verify it. For verification, once again we know the formula is dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So here the divisor is x minus 1, quotient is x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 2 and the remainder is 8. So as usual now we'll be multiplying x with all the 4 terms here. So x into x cube is x to the power 4. X into x square is plus x cube. X into 2x is 2x square. X into 2 is 2x. Now with minus 1 I'll multiply all these 4 terms. So it is minus x cube minus x square minus 2x minus 2 plus the remainder which is 8. So here we are left with x to the power 4. Here plus x cube, here it is minus x cube. So both the terms will be cancelled. Here it is 2x square and here it is only x square. So plus 2x square minus x square will give only x square. Next, Here it is plus 2x, here it is minus 2x. So this two term once again will be cancelled. Now we are left with minus 2 plus 8. So minus 2 plus 8 is plus 6, which is equal to our dividend. Hence verified. With this, we have come to the end of this chapter. Thank you. Jai Gurudev.